Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dipun tepangaken nami kula Ahmad Zainal Fatoni, nomor absen kalih, kelas sedasa IPS kalih.
Nami kula Santi Putri Kirani, nomor absen 16. Kula Fatin Pratiwi, nomor absen 19. Nami kula Sinda Yusyani, nomor absen 10.
Nami kula Rekansia Sinada, nomor absen 10.
Teng mriki kula ajeng ngeplok tugas basa Jawa babagan panganan tradisional yaiku sate.
Pak nyuwun sewu nami sinten?
Nami kula Winarto.
Iki sampeyan apa, Pak? Wonten niku regane sate dosanipun pinten?
F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. F-R-I-N-D-S. Have you got no shame? You looking insane, turning up at my door. It's 2 in the morning, the rain is pouring. Haven't we been here before? Don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. Have you got no shame? You looking insane. Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't gonna.
Yaiku panganan awujud masakan kang digawe saka daging kang disunuhi sujen lan dibakar ing dhuwur areng banjur didhahar karo sambel kacang. Sate ana maneka werna, ana sate titik, sate wedhus, sate kebo, sate sapi, sate jaran lan sate saka daging liyane. Sambel kanggo sate lumrahe ana rong warna yaiku sambel kacang lan sambel
Friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that shit.